What is the one question that could transform your life? Ponder this for a moment. Questions have a unique power. They compel us to think, to reflect, and ultimately to grow. They serve as the catalyst for personal development. Consider the introspective questions you ask yourself. Questions like, what truly matters to me? What do I want to achieve? How can I become a better version of myself? These are not mere idle queries. They are signposts guiding us on the path of self-discovery. They challenge us, forcing us out of our comfort zones and into the realm of profound growth. The right questions can unlock new perspectives, reveal hidden strengths, and even help us overcome obstacles. They can lead us to answers that inspire change, spark innovation, and ignite a passion for continuous learning. So start questioning. The answers might just transform your life. What is your ultimate goal in life? This is a question that many of us grapple with, but the clarity of our answer often determines the direction of our journey. Goals are not just desired outcomes. They are the compasses that guide us, the milestones that mark our progress, and the driving force that propels us forward. Earl Nightingale, a renowned motivational speaker, once said, "People with goals succeed because they know where they're going." This quote encapsulates the essence of setting clear and achievable goals. It's not just about dreaming big, it's about charting a course to get there. It's about breaking down your journey into manageable steps, each one taking you closer to your ultimate goal. Let's consider the story of a hypothetical entrepreneur. Let's call him John. John had a vision of creating a revolutionary tech startup, but this grand dream didn't materialize overnight. It was the culmination of countless smaller goals. John began with a clear goal of learning coding. Once he achieved that, he set another goal to develop a prototype. Each goal was distinct, achievable, and served as a stepping stone towards his ultimate vision. Goals are not static. They evolve as we grow and learn. John's goals shifted and expanded as he gained knowledge and experience, but at every stage his goals remained clear and well-defined. This clarity enabled him to stay focused amidst the chaos and challenges of entrepreneurship. Setting clear goals is like setting a destination in your GPS. Without a clear destination, you'll drive aimlessly, wasting time and energy. But with a clear goal, every turn you make, every decision you take, is purposeful, propelling you towards your desired outcome. Remember, goals are more than just wishes. They require commitment, planning, and action. They demand perseverance and resilience, but the reward is worth the effort. Achieving your goals not only brings you closer to your dreams but also fuels your confidence and self-belief. So, ask yourself today, what is my ultimate goal? And remember, a clear goal is the beacon that guides you through life's storms. Do you see challenges as setbacks or opportunities for growth? This question is at the heart of what Bob Proctor, a renowned personal development teacher, once said, "The only limits in our life are those we impose on ourselves." This idea is central to what we call a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that our talents and abilities can be developed over time through hard work, good strategies, and input from others. It's a powerful way of thinking that encourages us to embrace challenges, persist in the face of setbacks, see effort as a path to mastery, learn from criticism, and find lessons and inspiration in the success of others. Let's imagine for a moment that you're an entrepreneur with an innovative idea. You've worked tirelessly to launch your startup, but you're facing obstacles. Sales are slow, and you're getting negative feedback about your product. With a fixed mindset, you might think, "I'm just not cut out for this," and consider giving up. But if you adopt a growth mindset, your perspective shifts. You start to see these challenges not as proof of your inability, but as opportunities to learn and improve. You might think, what can I learn from this feedback? How can I improve my product? What strategies can I use to boost sales? You embrace the challenge, you persist, and you grow. And as you grow, so does your business. You make changes to your product based on the feedback. You implement new marketing strategies, and slowly but surely, your sales start to increase. Your challenges didn't define your end, they paved your path to success. This is the transformative power of a growth mindset. It's not just about achieving your goals, it's about becoming more resilient, adaptable, and ultimately successful in whatever you do. So, the next time you encounter a challenge, remember Bob Proctor's words. Remember that the only limits in our life are those we impose on ourselves. With a growth mindset, every challenge becomes a stepping stone towards success. Are you just focused on the destination, or are you enjoying the journey? This question is more than just a philosophical musing. It's a call to embrace the adventure of personal growth and development. Mary Morrissey, A renowned life coach and motivational speaker once said, "The journey in between what you once were and who you are now becoming is where the dance of life really takes place." This quote beautifully encapsulates the essence of embracing the journey of self-improvement. Let's consider the story of Sam, a budding entrepreneur who learned to value the journey over the destination. Sam had a vision to create a tech startup that would revolutionize the industry. He had clear goals and a growth mindset, but what set him apart was his ability to savor the journey. Sam faced numerous obstacles, from funding issues to technical glitches. Instead of viewing these challenges as setbacks, he saw them as opportunities to learn and grow. He embraced the journey with open arms and a resilient spirit. Each challenge was a stepping stone, each failure a lesson learned. The journey was not easy. There were times when Sam questioned his decisions and doubted his abilities. But he kept going, fueled by his passion and the knowledge that he was growing with every step. And then, something unexpected happened. During one of his low moments, Sam stumbled upon a solution to a problem that had been plaguing the tech industry for years. His journey had led him to an unexpected yet fulfilling outcome. His startup not only revolutionized the industry, but also made a significant positive impact on society. Embracing the journey meant more than just achieving his goal. It meant growing as an individual, learning invaluable lessons, and making a difference in the world. The path of personal development is not always smooth. It's filled with ups and downs, triumphs and failures. But that's what makes it worth it. The journey is not just about reaching the destination. It's about who you become along the way. So, as you set out on your path of personal development, remember to embrace the journey. Learn from your experiences, grow from your failures, and savor each step. Remember, the journey is where life happens. What keeps you going when the going gets tough? That's a question that each and every one of us has had to grapple with at some point. In the face of adversity, it's our motivation that fuels our resilience, and it's our resilience that ultimately helps us to overcome obstacles. Now imagine this scenario. You're an entrepreneur developing an innovative product. You've poured blood, sweat, and tears into it. But despite your best efforts, you've hit a wall. Sales are stagnant, feedback is lukewarm at best, and you're questioning if all the effort is worth it. It's a challenging situation, to say the least. So how do you keep that motivation alive? Firstly, remember why you started. As Mary Morrissey once said, "You block your dream when you allow your fear to grow bigger than your faith." Your dream, your vision, is the reason you embarked on this journey. It's your faith in that dream that will keep you going. Secondly, embrace the power of positive thinking. Bob Proctor, a master of motivation, said, "If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand." Visualizing your success can be a powerful tool to reignite that spark of motivation. Finally, remember that every setback is a setup for a comeback. Earl Nightingale, the Dean of Personal Development, once said, "Never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway." Your journey may be longer than expected, but that doesn't mean it's not worth the travel. Staying motivated isn't always easy, but it's crucial to achieving your goals, professional or personal. So when you find yourself questioning your path, remember your purpose, visualize your success, and know that setbacks are just stepping stones on the road to achievement. Keep going, your biggest breakthrough might be just around the corner. Are you ready to embark on your personal development journey? This isn't a rhetorical question, it's the start of a transformative adventure, an invitation to discover your true potential. Because personal development is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's about setting clear goals and adopting a growth mindset. It's about embracing the journey, with all its ups and downs, twists and turns. Imagine a tomorrow where you're more resilient, more confident, and more successful than you ever thought possible. A tomorrow where you've overcome obstacles, stayed motivated, and achieved your dreams. It all starts with that first step, that first decision, that first commitment to growth. So, why wait for tomorrow when you can start today? Why dream about success when you can plan for it? Why hope for change when you can be the change? The power is in your hands. Embark on your personal development journey today. Your future self will thank you.